Welcome back to Jeeping for Beginners, folks. Once again, my name is Josh. Today, we have an awesome special episode for you. We're going to be working on my buddy's 2022 Jeep Gladiator, and we are going to take the halogen headlights that are in here and convert them over to LED. But the cool part is I'm going to show you how to do it for less than $100. Basically, we're going to go from this to this. So stick around. I think you're going to enjoy this. Welcome back to Jeeping for Beginners, folks. Once again, my name is Josh. Today, we are going to be installing some LED light bulbs into my friend's Gladiator from a company called Auxito. They are bragging to be about 10 times brighter than the factory halogen light bulbs and cost less than $100. Dude, check these things out. These are the Auxito LED light bulbs for the JT Gladiator. They come with their own pair of white gloves to keep the bulbs clean, a product manual, which is very simple and easy to read, and perfectly molded light bulbs that will fit right into the sockets that the original halogens are already in. Simple, easy install. These are heavy, well made, and look like great quality lights. Let's get them installed, shall we? So the new lights have a gasket already pre-molded into them. When the old lights come out, the gasket is actually going to stay behind. So make sure you pull this gasket out, or believe me, you're going to spend 20 minutes in here trying to get this to lock in place, and it isn't going to work. There you go. Done. Easy peasy. Sweet. Too easy. So now the airbox just snaps right back in place and the installation will be done. So for comparison, we turned off the lights in the shop and show you against the garage door, these are the factory halogen headlights that come in the 2022 JT Gladiator. Then, once we were done, we did the same thing with lights off in the shop, showing you the LEDs. What a difference in the brightness of the lights on the front of this JT. So that's it, folks. Less than $100, and we basically quadrupled the output of the lights on the Gladiator. Super simple, super easy, and anybody can do it. In the meantime, stay safe, happy Jeeping, and we will see you next time.